In this video, you will learn about the following: the About, Classify, Talk, and Collect tabs, as well as how to access the social media for the Transcribe Cooper project. While at the home page, there are tabs at the top of the page that can offer extra assistance. The About tab explains our research, introduces our team members and their roles, has additional resources about colored conventions, and answers frequently asked questions. Remember, if you get lost in the site, hit Transcribe Colored Conventions in the upper left to return to the home page. If you click Classify and you have not volunteered on any of the listed workflows yet, you will be assigned a document at random to work on. Please note that this document may be from either the Transcribe or Find the Names workflows. Always follow the questions in the workflow to produce the most accurate information about the document. If you have already worked on other workflows and then click Classify, you will be taken to the most recent workflow on which you worked. The Talk tab will take you to our Talk forums, a resource that allows you to pose a question, ask for help, or share an interesting find with our Zooniverse team members as well as other transcribers. You can also ask for help on Twitter by tagging @DouglasDayOrg and using the hashtag #DouglasDay. We will also have a Zoom help room offering live support from team members that you can access from the Douglas Day site homepage. The Collect tab allows you to bookmark your transcriptions, which makes it easier for you to share interesting finds in the talk forums. If you have an account, the Collect features allows you to save images that you have worked on or that you find interesting. You can save a document to your collection by clicking on the icon furthest to the right underneath the image in the transcription interface. Once clicked, you will be prompted to save it to a specific collection or create a new one. Collections can be public or private. At the bottom right of the page, you will find links to our website, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you once again for visiting and collaborating with us on this project. We hope you enjoy yourself, and we truly appreciate your contributions.